It comes as no surprise really that the all-new Creta has driven straight to the top of the sales charts in the short few months since its launch. And since we had a peek at its production before the world turned upside down, here's a look at how the Creta goes from metal to excellence. The year is 2015 and Hyundai launches the Creta in India, and it takes the market by storm. No longer did people have to rely on old school looking and old school driving SUVs. The Creta was thoroughly modern in its looks and how it drove and in its features, and no wonder it became an instant success, selling over 6.5 lakh cars in India and worldwide. And now it's 2020 and there's an all-new Creta, and we're at the plant in Chennai to see how the Creta is being made and if it can recreate that magic. In the time it's taken you to reach this point of the video, another couple of Hyundais have rolled off the production line. Thanks to the 13,500 plus strong production workforce and 650 robots working in harmony, a car is made every 33 seconds. In fact, Hyundai India has made over 9 million cars to date. Of course, it all begins with a sheet of metal in the press shop. Sheets of metal, to be precise, over 540 acres of it. That's the amount of metal that's stamped every single day, sandwiched between precise color-coded modes for each model. Purple molds signify the ones for the all-new Creta and are the literal building blocks for an operation like this. Over 2,000 tons of stamping force helped the bold fenders, hood and other body panels of the all-new Creta take shape. All-new Creta, with 74.3% of its body and structure in advanced high-strength steel, benefits from an even stronger superstructure than before. Not to mention the advancements of 3D scanning and ultrasonic measurements to ensure millimeter perfection in every body panel, resulting in the kind of even panel fitment that impresses us so much. Body shop is where the individual pieces start to fit together like pieces of a puzzle. With over 220 robots handling the entire line, it's like the largest scale mechanical ballet you've ever seen. Hyundai uses big data from the 2,430 connected machines in the factory to be able to accurately predict a machine malfunction before it even happens, which means there's an over 100% reduction of downtime. By now, you get an understanding of the obsessive pursuit of perfection that goes into every Hyundai, and in this case, the all-new Creta. It's for that exact reason and for our safety that we aren't allowed into the paint shop, where the Creta gets its lustrous and long-lasting paint. Similarly built to last are the range of engines on offer in the all-new Creta, the new 1.5-litre diesel and petrol motors, and the sporty 1.4-litre turbocharged petrol engine, all of which are BS6 compliant. Over 1,700 moving parts come together in each engine, and Hyundai uses an environmentally friendly cold start engine check process along with detailed robotic analysis to catch any flaws. Finally, it's assembly time. last stage, it's where everything from the interiors to the glass areas to the mechanicals come together with the body. Again, humans and robots work together to ensure smooth continuity and exacting quality. Here, a series of quality checks are carried out both automated and by hand, ranging from SHA tests to check for any leaks, variations from standard, and that all the features work as intended before each Creta is sent onto a road test track to ensure it functions as mechanically perfect as it should. This is the final pre-delivery inspection of the new Hyundai Creta. Hyundai stands out as being one of the few manufacturers that does a PDI right at the factory itself. There's already been a production inspection done on the Creta, and this is the stage where they fix the last few niggles that might remain on these production-ready cars. And of course, at the end of that inspection, the all-new Creta is ready to be driven home and provide you with countless kilometers of blissful motoring.